Breaking news coming in, a shocking murder of an under trial in a Patna court. This was inside court premises. In fact, two attackers shot dead the under trial in this particular case. We've seen several such instances in neighboring Uttar Pradesh, but this news coming in from Patna. Our senior colleague Manish is now joining us live on the phone line. So Manish, pretty shocking there. A murder trial, shot dead. Is there any sort of gang rivalry at play here? Many questions on the law and order situation as well.
Yes, clearly this incident has raised a question mark over the big claims being made by the state police as far as law and order is concerned, because this incident, even though it is a result of gang rivalry, because the criminal who was undergoing trial and he was lodged in Patna's Beur jail, Chhote Sarkar, he was gunned down and he was accused in over 30 cases of murder, extortion, and he was facing the serious charges. And now police is saying that his killing is result of the past enmity. And but the question is over why, despite the court premises being a very high security zone, no assailant was nabbed, because two of those who were involved in this killing, they have escaped from the court premises. Although now the local police is saying that the raids are on and they have identified the killers based on the CCTV footage, but it clearly reflects that the criminals are enjoying the upper hand as far as law and order situation in the state capital Patna is concerned.
So, this is likely to become a huge political flashpoint in Bihar as well, because we've seen, the opposition in Bihar, the BJP has been raising many questions as far as the law and order situation is concerned. So, this will give them another opportunity to sort of attack, the Nitish government in Bihar.
Obviously, any killing inside the court premises is going to, leads to, automatic question over the law and order situation. And especially, it puts the state police in the dock that despite the high-profile security area, how the criminals are, emboldened enough to, execute this kind of killing. But somewhere, now the opposition will get, fresh ammunition to target Nitish Kumar government in the days to come.
And Manish, any word from the police as to who the attackers are in this particular case? As you said, there's little clarity as of now. There's just preliminary information coming in. But any word from the police on this?
As of now, they are saying that this killing seems to be the result of, gang rivalry, but they are not able to disclose which gang is behind the killing of Chhote Sarkar.
Right, and as you said, this sort of gang rivalry playing out, similar instances seen in Uttar Pradesh, as I said, multiple instances in Bihar, and these cases have been on the rise, particularly in the past year or so. So serious questions on law and order. Let's listen in to what the police had to say in this particular case.
सब कुछ देखो रेडी है ना सब और ऊपर करो हेलो और ऊपर करो हल्का क्या मामला सर हत्या हुई है क्या कहेंगे।
देखिए, अभिषेक कुमार उर्फ छोटे सरकार जो सिकंदरपुर बीटा का रहने वाला था, उस पर काफ़ी सारे हत्या के मुकदमे थे। उनकी पेशी जो है दानापुर कोर्ट में करवाया जा रहा था। उसी दौरान दो व्यक्तियों के द्वारा हमला किया गया, जिसमें उनको गोली लगी। जो दोनों हमलावर थे उनको पुलिस के द्वारा पकड़ लिया गया है। पकड़ करके अभी उनको थाने पे भेजा गया है। बाकी जो है अभी हम लोग उससे अग्रतर पूछताछ करेंगे कि उसको किसके द्वारा भेजा गया था और क्यों, हत्या का कारण क्या था। जो अभिषेक और छोटे सरकार है, उनकी मृत्यु जैसा बता रहे हैं हो गई है।
कहाँ के थे सर, पहचान हुई है और कहाँ के थे
हमलावर? अभी चूंकि मैं तुरंत आया हूँ, मुझे स्पष्ट नहीं लगी। जैसा मुझे पता चला है मुजफ्फरपुर के रहने वाले।
कितने राउंड गोली चली होगी?
देखिए, कुल खोखा जो है कितना मिला है? खोखा 4 खोखा मिला है, और बाकी जो है उसको कितने गन शॉट इंजरी लगे हैं, अभी तुरंत वो घटना घटी तो उनको लेकर के लोग हॉस्पिटल गए, वो अभी स्पष्ट हुआ।
कितनी अरेस्टिंग है सर?
2 अरेस्टिंग है। जो दोनों हमलावर थे दोनों पकड़े गए।
हथियार भी बरामद हुए हैं?
जी, हथियार भी बरामद हुए, 2 हथियार।
सर गोली चलाने वाले का नाम सर?
ये अभी जस्ट तो मैं आ ही रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है।
So several important points made by the police there. The two attackers have been arrested and the weapon has also been recovered by the police. So that is important. And 4 rounds, reportedly at least 4 rounds were fired. This happened inside court premises. It was a local court in Patna. And the police was also giving details about the criminal antecedents or the criminal history of this man, this murder under trial who was shot dead inside court premises. So these are visuals of the police at the spot, at the crime scene after it happened. But these sort of instances really raise a lot of questions about the law and order situation. I mean, inside court premises and in broad daylight, an under trial being shot dead. And in this particular case, the attackers reportedly were from Muzaffarpur, and they were youngsters who shot the attackers dead inside court premises. And what our colleague Manish is also reporting is that this is gang rivalry at play. So similar incidents being reported, particularly in the past year in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Questions on law and order continue to be raised.